everyone. Today I am going to discuss construction of quadrilateral third type. When two adjacent sides and three angles are given, then how to construct a quadrilateral. As you know that to construct a quadrilateral, we need minimum 5 measures. Here the 5 measures are 2 adjacent sides and 3 angles. Now we move to exercise 4.3, question number 1. Construct quadrilateral MORE, MO equal to 6 cm, OR equal to 4.5 cm, angle M equal to 60 degree, angle O equal to 105 degree and angle R equal to 105 degree. What is the first step of constructing the quadrilateral? Yes, the first step is we have to draw a rough figure. So, let me draw a rough figure of the given quadrilateral. Now, with the given measures, we have drawn a rough figure of the quadrilateral and mark the points given in the question. See here it is given two adjacent sides 6 cm and 4.5 cm and 3 angles are also given. See the measure of angles are 60 degree and 105 degree. They are multiples of 15, so we have to construct these angles. Now we can see how to draw a fair figure of the given quadrilateral MORE. For that we have to draw line segment MO equal to 6 cm. I marked 6 cm, draw a line segment and mark it as MO equal to 6 cm. And children, now we have to construct angle 60 degree at M. Construction of angle we have already discussed in the previous video. So with the center M and any radius, you have to construct an arc. Where the arc meeting the line segment MO, take this point of intersection as center and with the same radius draw another arc which intersect the previous arc. Okay, join that line, that is the required line segment 60, required angle 60 degree. Now you have to join this line and extend the line, mark it as X. Ray MX we have drawn. Now XMO gives angle 60 degree. Now we have to construct angle 105 degree at O. For that, first we have to construct 120 degree angle. To construct 120 degree, we have to first construct 60 degree. So with the center O and any convenient radius, you have to draw an arc. Where the arc meet the line segment, take that as center. From here, you can draw another arc. Now our 60 degree is over. Now where the arc intersect the previous arc, take that as center and with the same radius, you have to construct another arc. This is 120 degree. Now we have to construct 90 degree. For that, the 60 degree arc and 120 degree arc cutting, take that as center and radius more than this, you can take it more than this, you can take and draw an arc. With the same radius, center on this point, draw another arc. Mark the point of intersection. Join OY that is angle 90 degree. This is the angle 90 degree we marked. Now you can see, you can join another one. Mark this as ray Z and 120 degree arc angle you have to draw. This is the ray, we can mark it as OY. So this will give 120 degree. MOY is angle MOY equal to 120 degree. Angle MOZ equal to 90 degree. Now this angle will be, this is 90, this is 120. So this measure will be 120 minus 90 will be 30 degree. We have to bisect 30 degree so that we get 90 plus 30 equal to 105 degree, which is the required angle. So we have to make the angle bisector. For that, take this as center and radius more than this length. Are you able to see radius more than this? You can draw an arc. Similarly, with the same radius and center here, draw another arc. Mark the point of intersection. Now you have to draw a line. This will be angle 105 degree. Now it is given OR equal to 4.5 centimeter. So take 4.5 centimeter in the compass. Now with the center O and radius 4.5, draw an arc. Mark this as point R. Now we have to construct 105 degree at R. For that we have to turn the book and we have the point R here. First in the R we have to construct 60 degree, then construct 120 degree. Okay, first we can construct 60 degree. So take this as point and any convenient radius you have to draw an arc. Where the arc intersect here, take that as center and same radius you have to draw another arc. This is 60 degree. Now with this as center you have to draw an arc. This is 120 degree. This is the line 120 degree. Clear? Now see, we can join. This is 120 degree. This is 120 degree. Now we have to construct a 90 degree. For that take this as center. More than half of this radius we have to take an arc. Draw an arc. With the center here, radius more, same radius, draw another arc. Mark the point of intersection. Join OR, not OR, R and this line. This is 90 degree angle we formed. This is 30 degree. Total 120. This is 90. So this angle is 120 minus 90, 30 degree. We can bisect this angle. Angle bisector of this angle we have to construct. For that here we have 2 points already. With the center this and radius more than half of this length. We can take this much and draw an arc here. With the same radius, center here, draw another arc. Now join this, we get angle This is the angle 105 degree we constructed. Now mark the point of intersection S, that is ray MX, and we can give this as RA. Ray RA join at this point. Mark this is the required point E. Now you can see the measure. See, angle M is 60 degree we have constructed. You can verify by protractor. Similarly, at O we constructed 105 degree. See, this is 105 degree we constructed. This is 90 degree. This is 120 degree. This is the required angle 105 degree. See here, 105 degree. Similarly, you can see that at R we constructed 105 degree angle. See, this red line is 90 degree, this is 120 degree, and this is the required angle. This is 105 degree exactly we got. And by using angle sum property of a quadrilateral, our fourth angle, that is angle E, equal to 360 minus sum of all the other angles. That is 360 minus 270 equal to 90 degree. You can verify whether angle E is 90 degree or not. For that, keep the protractor at E, and you can see that the angle we constructed is 90 degree only. Here it is coming the line. Is it clear? This is exactly 90 degree. So the construction is over. Now we can write the steps for construction. First step, draw MO 6 cm. We have drawn here MO 6 cm. Next, at M construct 60 degree. The construction of angle 60 degree, 30 degree, 105 degree all are explained in the previous videos. So at M we have to construct angle 60 degree, and at O construct angle 105 degree. For that, first we have to construct 120 degree, that is drawn by red pen, and 90 degree. The between angle we have to bisect, so we get a 15 degree over here. So 90 plus 15 will give 105 degree. This is 105 degree. Similarly, with the center O and radius 4.5 centimeter, draw an arc. Mark the point of intersection of arc and ray as R. Now turn the book, and at R you have to construct angle 105 degree. That is, using black pen I have drawn angle 105 degree. So the same way, first we have to construct angle 120 degree, then we have to construct angle 90 degree, then bisect this angle, we will get the angle 105 degree. Both ray, that is of angle 60 degree, the ray MX, and this angle 105 degree, the ray will meet at the point here. Mark this point of intersection as E. Now MORE is the required quadrilateral. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.